So now I'm going to show you how to use the course plan icon to know what to work on each day. There's another video that shows you how to work through the content. You can also access the content through the course plan. Either way, it's the assignments and the lessons that you should be working through each day. So when you click on plan, you'll have a calendar that appears. And on that calendar, make sure that it says ninth grade lit up in the corner if that's the class that you're looking at the plan for. And you'll see that each day there's something for you to do in that class. So just remember that even on the days when you don't have Class Connect, you still have lessons to complete in the online high school. And so one way to find those lessons is through here, and you can see every single day there is a lesson for you. So the way to access the lesson is if you click on it and then you click more. It takes you straight to that day, that lesson, just like it would take you when you went through the content. It takes you to the same lesson. So it takes you to the same for the day, or the lesson for the day, and it's right there. And everything you need to do on that day is listed for you. So let's go back to the class plan again. So if it's a day where something is due, you click on it, you click more. And so first it gives you the information that you need for the lesson to know what to work on. And if you scroll down, it'll show you that the Dropbox is there as well. So that's where you can, so here's the assignment. You click on that to get the assignment. You click on here to submit the assignment. So everything that you need for any daily activities, the lessons to work through that show you what you're supposed to be learning that day, the assignment instructions, any Dropboxes, any quiz links, you can access those simply by going to the course calendar through the plan. Now, here's the one piece of information that's important. You will not see these if there's a release condition on them. So let's say, for example, you have to complete, let's say you had to complete this assignment, this mother to son assignment, before anything else would open up for you in this course. Then when you come to your course plan, the only thing that you will see would be this Friday the 3rd. All of this wouldn't show up. These dates would appear blank. Now, that doesn't mean, yay, we're not doing anything in ninth grade English for the rest of the month. That just means you have to complete this item before the rest of the items will open up. So you can only work as far as it allows you to work based on those release conditions. So if you have any questions about that, please contact your teacher, but do the lessons in the order that they're listed, and then the release conditions should open up the rest of the content for you so that you can see them each in the course plan.